Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the Powered by Shopify on your Shopify store. Really easy to do. I'll show you guys what I'm referring to. It's just this down here that says Powered by Shopify. So if you're looking to remove that, just make sure you follow along this video all the way to the end. So all you have to do this is you want to go to your Shopify homepage here. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, you want to click on Online Store and then click on Themes, and you want to go over to the theme that you're currently using. So mine will be this Brooklyn theme right here. All you have to do from this point is just click on Actions and then Edit Languages. And then once this comes up, you want to search for a translation. So you want to search for Powered, just like this, and click on Enter, and it will search for Powered. Once that comes up, you will see here under the Powered by Shopify HTML. So you want to go here, highlight this, and just put a space just to make it clear. And then here where you see Powered by Shopify one more time right above it under Checkout and System, you want to go ahead and put a space there as well to remove the text. Then you want to go up to the top and click on Save. And that will say translations updated. And if we go back over to our store and just click on refresh, you will see that removed the Powered by Shopify on the bottom of my store. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to remove the Powered by Shopify on your Shopify store. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.